How to copy the captions of a TikTok video. This is what you will learn in this video. And if you see on this video that the captions and hashtags that are shown here, even if you select any one of them, it will take you to the hashtag page and it is not going to select those captions. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. And by the way, this method will work not only for the hashtags, everything that is written on your video, that is the captions, it will be copied. So you need to select the video and click share button, and then from the options click copy link. Once the link is copied, you need to go to this website, which is getsub.cc. By the way, you can search that in the Google, or you can get a link from here. You need to just paste your link here and then click get sub, and the page will be refreshed, and you can see that it says that there is no subtitles for this TikTok video. However, the hashtags are there, and I am able to select those hashtags, and I can also copy that. That's how you can copy the captions or subtitles of a TikTok video.